Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to fix Snapchat public profile not showing. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. So first of all, I'm opening my profile, and as you can see, here is no option to make public profile. So now let's see how to find the public profiles option. So click on the settings icon to the upper right hand corner and scroll down. Then in this hook and section, click on contact me, and from here select everyone and go back and click on the second option, and from here select everyone and send me notification. Make sure it's everyone and click on view my story, and also make sure to set as everyone and make sure all this option is everyone. Then click on see me in quick add, and from here make sure it's enable and click on see my location, and from here you have to turn off ghost mode and then cross the Snapchat application and then reopen your Snapchat and click on profile, and then here we can see the option create public profile. So this is how we can fix Snapchat public profile not showing. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. Thanks for watching this video.